Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix if your Mario Kart Live is not reading the QR code, okay? And if you're not able to pair it right, we can easily fix it. Before we fix, first I will clean this camera, okay? Your camera might be dirty. It is not clean, so I'm just cleaning it, the camera, so that it will be easily read the QR code. Okay, fine. If it is not pairing right, so what you need to do is first you need to close this app. I'm going to close it. First, we need to check the software update, Mario Kart Live. So press this plus button. Your software should be up to date. So check the software update. I am trying to update via the internet. You are using the latest version of the software. Then this is fine. Just close it. Next thing, we need to check the system update. So go to settings. Then system, and then system update. Your system is up to date, then fine. Going back, both are up to date, I mean the app and the system software. And ensure your Mario Kart is completely charged, okay? So it should be like 80 to 100% completely charged. And you need to see this brake light and the ignition light, the power light should be blinking, okay? That's fine. Now I'm going to restart this. Nintendo Switch, press and hold the power button, then restart. This time we should not be having any connection issues. Yes, it's turned on. Open the Mario Kart Live, home circuit, choose your user. Need to tap this L and R, and I need to press this ignition button, which is already turned on. I will turn off and turn it on. You need to see this pair kart, so tap Y, tap A. That's it. Now I'm going to scan it. I'm trying to scan. This time I should not be having any issues. Yes, it's successfully connected. It's success. Super cool, right? So now we can play the game. That's it, friends. Now I'm going to try. So that's it, friends. Is the way you can fix the issue for your Mario Kart Live to read the QR code. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback from video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.